Matthew Hines, come on down. Woo, we got a show here today because we're all messed up. We've been drinking all day and we're ready to party. Yeah.
But I don't have a drink, which is rude. And so
Whose fault is that?
Well, I guess it's mine. So I brought a special treat from Australia.
Oh,
for
yeah.
Cocktail Tony.
Yep, Andrew K. Andrew Cocktails.
That's right.
Uh-huh.
This is a very special cocktail book from Eau de Vie, which is one of Melbourne's best hidden bars. It's got amazing cocktails, and today we're going to make you one called Tropical Trader.
Okay, so if you don't have this book, get one. Pete, is it Pete?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know who you're talking about.
I'm buzzed. But anyhow,
I'll drink to that.
she's going to drink to that. We are so buzzed. This is going to be the best show we had yet. You want to know why? Because we're buzzed. We are so buzzed.
Do you have to yell?
No, I have to make sure the audience hears me.
Okay.
What you should be doing is making sure I have a drink. So let's get started.
Okay, we're going to get started. Cocktail Matthew.
That's me. So I brought these recipes all the way from Australia,
Yes.
visiting. So today we're going to make the Tropical Trader. So, are you ready?
Why is it a trader?
Because you're a
What
trader.
does he trade? Fur?
No.
Is he trading
You're
for...
trading cocktail recipes.
Oh, boy.
All right, so
Okay.
we've got all of our ingredients here, and we're going to start. Now, these are Australian ingredients, so they're in milliliters, but I'll try to translate them as we go. So the first one is 50 ml, which is basically 2 ounces of white rum, and we're going to pour everything, all of our ingredients, into the shaker. All right?
So that's an ounce then?
This is 1 ounce here, and it calls for 2 ounces.
That's 1.
Thank you for counting them out.
You can count to 2.
That's 2.
I'd be worried about 3.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Cocktail Tony always goes a little bit over.
For good measure. All right, the next ingredient is lemon myrtle. Now, lemon myrtle is an Australian native plant. We don't have it here in America, so we're just going to use some good old-fashioned
Because we don't have it here because we're not in Australia.
No, and it's basically the same thing.
It's basically the same thing.
So we're taking a good old-fashioned lemon,
We are his.
and we only need 10 mil of this, so not very much. 10 mil is about 1/3 of an ounce.
How do you know this stuff?
Because I'm living.
Matthew was here from Melbourne, but he's
You
moving
got
to
it
Sydney.
upside down.
I've got it upside down.
Yeah.
Because I'm from down under.
He's from down under, so it's upside down.
And so we're just going to squeeze that, and that's probably good there.
Oh, that looks good.
Doesn't that look nice? So that goes in.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Now we're doing more lime than lemon. So we need 20 mil, which is just about 2/3 of an ounce of lime juice. So we're going to do it to there.
Oh,
Easy peasy.
Easy
lemon
peasy.
stuff.
I know, right? And I move fast because I don't have a drink. All right, and then we need 10 mil pineapple juice. We're just taking it right out of the pineapple here. 10 mil is about 1/3 of an ounce.
Oh, okay.
Okay? But I like pineapples. So we're going to do a little bit more.
It's Patty Joe cooking, not Pete.
Patty Joe cooking.
Patty Joe cooking.
And simple syrup.
Let's talk cocktails.
15 ounce. So that's really not very much. I mean, 15 mil, which is really not very much at all.
That's not.
Yeah,
Steve,
about
the
that.
bartender.
Okay?
Okay, Tony.
I'm just giving all these Australian people.
How are you ever going to make this drink if you don't pay attention? Oh, that's right. You've got a recipe book now.
I got a book.
All right, so now we're going to shake this all up over ice. Where's the lids of the shaker?
It's right here.
Oh, is this how you do it? What am I, Tom Cruise?
You might be. You're going to toss it up in the air and catch it. Don't do that here, though. He's shaking with a smile. Smile. Did you get...
All right, then we're going to
You have to
strain it.
Oh, Matt, you know what you're doing.
It's not my first time at the rodeo.
I guess not. I'm impressed.
Over ice, glass with ice. And then you can garnish as you wish with a piece of pineapple or maraschino cherry, which we're going to do. How am I going to get this out of here?
With your fingers. It's the best way.
Boom!
There you go.
Stuck his dirty fingers in my cherry. You
And
believe
that-
this shit?
Or you can use an orange wedge as well if you prefer. But that is a Tropical Trader
Yeah.
Cheers.
from the Eau de
Cheers.
Vie recipe book of cocktails.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Matthew, over and out.
That's delicious.
How was
Is
that?
that?
Yeah.
tart for me.
Needs-
That's pretty damn good.